Hey guys, Mike Internet Pro want to bring a super quick video on some proof. As you can see, a lot of people are joining up with WCC. Tremendous amount of people. I think people see the value in a complete done-for-you business, and they like the fact that it is working with PayPal. One of the easiest ways to market online. But with that said, guys, I'm up to 549 sales. As you can see, 155 leads in today, and I want to just jump over to a ebook that I actually finished writing just a couple hours ago. This is for all of you new subscribers who have just come online and will be entering into my newsletter. For you older subscribers, this is also for you as well. You'll find it inside of the subscription. I am really letting a lot of information out here. I put a lot of value into this ebook, so definitely want to get your hands on this. It's 100% free, doesn't cost you anything. Go ahead and click the link below to get started and grab your free report now. All right, guys, talk to you later. Sign up and see you on the inside. Mike Internet Pro. I'm out.